It is truly a wow effect. I mean, just the whole way they have the entrance and the mature trees, and it's just like literally driving into paradise.
It's a great resort pool. I mean, I take people in there and just to show them the clubhouse, and they are in awe when they see that pool, because a lot of other communities have a square pool, and this one is really exceptional.
Well, our family uses the fitness center a lot. We love it there. And the pickleball court, which is also, you can do the basketball there, which is great. So my kids love that. And the trails, the walking trail.
Yeah.
I'm Kadie, and this is my mom, Kathy, and we're realtors, and we live in Artistry Sarasota.